Hello, year six. We are back from our break of Easter. Now, during these weeks, we are going to work in a different way. So you can follow the lessons, right? I'll be sending you these videos and you can follow the lessons, right? Juan is going to send you this planning with different subjects. My subjects are here. You will get them, well, today on Tuesday, but next week's you will get it on Mondays so that you can organize yourselves, right? Very important, bear in mind that if you've got English here and the homework, you must have the homework ready for Thursday, right? The same for science. If science is in here, you must have it finished for Friday because it's in there where, no, I don't want that. It's in there where you will get the corrections, right? There's no point for you to cheat. I mean, we are here to learn, right? I think this is a good way to follow the lessons because it's like I'm there with you and I'll be explaining everything like when we are in class. And the only thing you have to do is just follow. And any questions that you have, please send me the emails with the questions, right? So let's start with the lesson. In this unit number 6, that you can find pages number 60 and 61 of your book, what are we going to do? Review and learn the names of jobs, make predictions about the future, learn about Scotland and the story of an amazing musician, ask and answer a question that begins with "Do you think?" Read and write a letter for time capsule, have a conversation about what I want to be, and learn how to think in different ways, right? So that's for the whole unit, but now we are going to focus in unit number 1, which is our lesson number 1, sorry, which is the one that we are doing today. So today we are going to review the name of jobs, read a message about an animal rescue shelter, and talk about jobs, right? So let's start here. We've got different messages that these two guys are sending to each other. So great, another message has arrived. It's from a girl in Scotland. So she's saying, "Hi everyone, my name's Moraga and I live in a small town on the east coast of Scotland. My classmates love animals, so we've decided to help animals. Every Saturday morning, 3 pupils go to an animal rescue center with a teacher and work there. It was my turn last Sunday and I really enjoyed it. My class is also preparing a display of jobs we want to do when we're older. Here are some of the photos we've collected. I think it would be cool to be a veterinary nurse in the future. What do you think? Do you want to do any of these jobs too? So do you think that to be a veterinary nurse in the future will be good? I think yes, you can help a lot of the pets. So look at Morak's photos. You can see the photos in here and answer the questions. To do these activities, you need to have a piece of paper, a pen, or a pencil, right? It's up to you. You don't need right now the book. You can read the book later on because we can see here the displays of the lessons, but what you always need to have with you is a piece of paper, pen and pencil, and everything you write, please keep it because when we go back to school you'll have to give it to me, okay? So the first question that you have to answer is, what are the people doing, right? Yeah, we have to say they are doing it right now. That's why the action is ending ing. So all the actions in your sentences my must end ing, right? So what are they doing right now? Please write down from number 1 to number 12 and write down their actions. To answer the questions, if you want to do it at the same time that we are doing the explanation, what you have to do is just pause the video, complete the task, and then play it again, right? So number 2, what are they wearing? And number 3, which job looks the most interesting for you and why, right? Remember that always when we give a reason why, we have to say because this or that. So now you can pause the video, answer the questions, and then you can continue watching the video, okay? I know I cannot be there with you. I trust you, so Please take your time, maybe with 4 minutes, 5 minutes, it's enough. Good, so let's move on and let's revise the vocabulary, right? I'm going to play it, please pay attention and listen carefully. Number 1.
Plumber.
Number 2.
Security guard.
Number 3.
Politician.
Number 4.
Electrician.
Number 5.
Tour guide.
Next one.
Archaeologist.
Next.
Veterinary nurse.
8.
Computer technician.
9.
Graphic designer.
10.
Physiotherapist.
11.
Business person.
And 12, the last one.
Detective.
So now we are going to start again and you can read the words and repeat the words, okay?
Plumber. Security guard. Politician. Electrician. Tour guide. Archaeologist. Veterinary nurse. Computer technician. Graphic designer. Physiotherapist. Business person. Detective.
Okay, so now we move on and we continue with the next parts of the unit. So in this activity, you have to listen and do the vocabulary quiz, right? You are going to listen to the description and write down in a piece of paper before the sound goes. You have to write down which profession or which job you think that they are describing. Okay, off we go.
Who fits and repairs pipes. These pipes are used for carrying water indoors and outdoors. Plumber. 2. This is a person who helps people when their muscles or joints hurt. This person uses special exercises to help the patient move their muscles and joints. Physiotherapist. 3. This is a person who helps a vet look after animals that are injured or sick. This person usually wears a white overall to protect their clothes. Veterinary nurse. 4. This is a person who fits and repairs wires. These wires transport electricity indoors and outdoors. Electrician. 5. This is a person who protects buildings, objects, or people. This person usually wears a uniform. Security guard. 6. This is a person who investigates a crime. This person can be a police officer or can work on their own. Detective. 7. This is a person who studies how people lived in the past. This person looks for ancient objects in the ground. Archaeologist. 8. This is a person who uses a computer to create pictures. This person designs things like magazines, posters, and adverts. Graphic designer. 9. This is a person who works in the government. This person debates and creates laws to help make our society better. Politician. 10. This is a person who takes tourists to a new place. This person gives the tourists information and answers their questions. Tour guide. 11. This is a person who repairs computers and makes sure that a computer system operates correctly. Computer technician. This is a person who works in an office or a bank. This person has meetings and has to make important decisions. Business person.
Okay. Now you have this activity with an animal rescue shelter. You've got different options here. They are asking you what your age is and giving you here different options, okay, for volunteers or what it's the profession and the volunteering that fits you better, okay. So please read it, pause the video, read it, and then I'd like you to answer this question. What job would you like to do and why? Okay, if you ask me my opinion, here, I'd like to work in a veterinary, sorry, because I had a dog and I loved dogs. So that's why I think that that would be a good job. Yes, that's the reason why. And next, I'm telling you and I'm showing you what are the exercises that you have to do for next day, okay, which is next Thursday. There will be corrected for Thursday. So here you've got this crossword, and what you have to do is complete it, okay? You've got here these numbers so that you can fill the names and the gaps, right? So you can pause the video and complete it in the piece of paper. Then the next activity that you have to do, you have to read and complete the definitions. You've got these gaps in here. You just have to read the definitions and complete them, right? You can pause the video, read them, and grab them, right? Take your time. And the next activity is activity number 4, where you have to describe a job, okay, using uniform, tools, work outside, good at, right? So write down different jobs, describing them using those words, okay? Apart from this, you have to do lesson number 1 of Navio, oh sorry, snap it. Okay, well,